Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a trick to level up your plants faster to get massive damage multiplier in Plants vs Brainrots game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. There will be some methods that you can try, and the first method I'm going to show you is removing your plants to the front. Okay, for example, I'm going to remove this king lemonade. I'm going to use my shuffle to pick up the plant, and I'm going to place it here on the front. And wait, let me search for my plant. Okay, I'm going to place it here guys, and it will help the plant to increase the level by damaging the brain rots. And then the next one guys, you can use this card, this bloom Ascendant. Okay, it will help you to level up your plants faster. And the next one, you can use the Riot Potion that you can get from the event. Okay, it will help you to double the amount of the brain rots, so your plant will have more chance or ability to level up. Okay guys, and those are the tricks that you can try to level up your plants faster. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.